Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 heat gun. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 2000W hot air gun. Specifications. Model number, Hot Gun 001. Usage, home DIY. Air volume, 500 liters per minute. Rated output power, 2000 watts. Feature, temperature adjustable, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 220 volts to 230 volts. Weight, 78 centimos. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is, Yofidra 2500W electric hot air gun. Specifications. Brand name, Yofidra. Usage, home DIY. Air volume, low gear, 300 liters per minute. High grade, 550 liters per minute. Rated output power, 2500 watts. Feature, temperature adjustable, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Day Plus heat gun. Specifications. Brand name, Day Plus. Usage, home DIY. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Type, heat gun. Color, red, orange. Power, 2000 watts. Airflow, 300 liters per minute, 500 liters per minute. Cable length, 2m/6.56 feet. Nozzles, 4. Material, ABS. Item number 2 is, hot air gun with LCD temperatures. Specifications. Brand name, Hupar Tools. Model number, HG01. Usage, home DIY. Feature, temperature adjustable, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Deco DKHG06. Specifications. Brand name, Deco. Model number, DKHG06. Usage, home DIY. Is customized, yes. Rated output power, 2000 watts. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Origin, mainland China. Weight, 0.4 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.